Let's go ahead and solve homework exercise number 6 from section 10.6. We need to find the measure of side A. Okay, so side A here. Okay, so we need to find side A. We're given angle A is 38 degrees, and we've got side A is opposite angle A, right? It's one of the legs, forms a right triangle, and the side B is the side adjacent. So we know that the tangent of angle A is equal to the side opposite over adjacent. Now again, the reason I picked tangent is because with respect to angle A, we need side A, which is opposite angle A, and we've got the adjacent side. So the side you need and the side you're missing, that's the trig function you want. In this case, opposite over adjacent is tangent. Now what do we have? We have tangent of A is 38 degrees is equal to the side opposite, A, we don't know, we're trying to find, over 280. So what we can do is multiply both sides by 280, and this cancels, and we get A is equal to 280 times the tangent of 38 degrees, okay? 280 times the tangent of 38 degrees. Now, we can use our calculator to do that. Now again, you need to put your calculator into degree mode. So on the TI-83, we have, if you click on the mode next to the second, and you see the third line down, it's now in radians. So what you need to do is you need to use your down arrow twice, and you get in the third line, the radian is blinking, use your right arrow to highlight degree, and then you have to hit enter to save, and then degree is blinking, so now we're going to do it in degrees, not radians. You have to do that, and you can go second quit, and you'll be in degrees. Now again, it's you hit the mode key, and you go down to the third line, highlight degree, hit enter to save it, and then hit second mode to quit to get out of there, second quit, and you'll be back in. So now remember, angle A was what? 280, and if you just do the tangent, right, of 38 degrees, okay, a right paren, it'll automatically multiply. You can put a multiplication sign between, and you get 218.7599 rounded to the nearest whole number. So 218.7, there's a 0.7 in the 10, so we would round up to 219, and the units are always the same, as all the sides will be the same. So this one is given in centimeters, so centimeters. Again, it's just the length of a side, so it's just centimeters, not squared units or cubic units, okay? And that indeed is the correct answer, okay? All right, very good. Let's look at homework exercise number 7. Okay, again, find the measure of side A, okay? Side A, we've got angle A is 30 degrees. Side A is opposite with respect to the angle A, right? It's the leg away from it, and the C is given, and that's opposite the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse. So what happens is opposite and hypotenuse involves the sine function, right, with respect to angle A. So sine of angle A is the side opposite over the hypotenuse. Let's put in what we have. So sine of A is 30 degrees is equal to the side opposite. We're trying to find A over C, the hypotenuse, which is 16. Multiply both sides by 16. Cancels here, and we get A is equal to the 16 times the sine of 30 degrees. Okay? And so there's our answer. Well, we'll put it in the calculator. 16 times the sine of 30 degrees. Again, remember, you got to go to mode, and you've got to go down to the second, third line and make sure degree is highlighted, hit enter, and then hit second quit. And now we've got 16 times the sine of 30 degrees. All right, automatically multiply 16, and the whole number, it comes out to be exactly 8, so we don't have to worry about rounding off. So it's 8, and the one side is meters, so obviously this side is also given in meters. All right, very good. Let's go ahead and look at exercise number 8. Find the measure of angle of side C. Okay, side C is the hypotenuse, right? How do I know it's opposite the right angle? And with respect to angle A, the given angle away from the angle is A, so that's the side opposite. Okay, so now what trig function involves opposite and hypotenuse? It's the sine, right? So sine of angle A is opposite over hypotenuse, so what do we got? Sine of A, which is 31 degrees, is equal to the side opposite. 25 is in the numerator. The hypotenuse we're missing. C is in the denominator. So here you've got an extra algebra step. What I do is I multiply both sides by C to get it out of the denominator. So you get C times the sine of 31 degrees is equal to 25. And then this is just a number. Sine 31 degrees, divide both sides by the sine of 31 degrees, and these cancel, and so you get C is equal to that, right? C is by itself here. So now notice it is 25 divided by the sine of 31 degrees. 25 is in the numerator, sine of 31 is in the denominator, so it's 25 divided by the sine of 31. Make sure you get the order correct. Okay, so we'll put it into our calculator to get a decimal. 25 divided by the sine of 31 degrees. And now we round to the nearest whole number, 48.5. There's a 0.5 in the tenths, so we would round up to whole number 49. And the one side is in meters, so obviously all the other sides are in meters too. All right, very good. Question number 9. Okay, find the measures of the parts of the right triangle. Okay, so we've got side A. Okay, so with respect to angle A, side A is opposite and the hypotenuse is given. So for sine A, which is 33 degrees, the side opposite A is missing over the hypotenuse, which is 43. So multiply both sides by 43, cancels here, and we'll get A equals 43 times the sine of 33 degrees. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that on our calculator. 43 times the sine of 33 degrees. 43 times the sine of 33 degrees. And round to the nearest whole number, 23.4. A 0.4 means we'd round down, so 23, and the one hypotenuse is in centimeters, so these legs will be given in centimeters. Okay, side B. Okay, we might as well use the exact one to get a more accurate answer. So we'll use the 43. B, with respect to angle A, 33 degrees. The side B is the adjacent and 43 is the hypotenuse. So we can do the cosine of angle A, 33 degrees, is equal to the side adjacent, B we're missing, over the hypotenuse, 43. So again, we can multiply both sides by 43. 43's cancel, and we get B equals 43 times the cosine of 33 degrees. Okay? So we'll go ahead and do that on our calculator. 43 times the cosine of 33 degrees. 43 cosine, there's the cosine key, 43 degrees. And we get enter. And we get 31.4 rounded to the nearest whole number will be 31. And again, the units are centimeters. Now measure of angle B, remember the three angles of a triangle add up to 180. So we've got the one angle is 33, the other angle is a right angle is 90, so that's 123. So the three angles add up to 180, so 180 minus 123, and we're left with 57 degrees for the measure of angle B. okay? 33. 31 centimeters. Huh. We've got, let's see here, we've got angle side A was 43 times 33. 43 times the sine of 23, or of 33. .4, 23, and cosine was 43 times the cosine of 33. 43 times the cosine of 33. I put in a wrong number, 36.06. So there's my mistake, 36. I guess I put in a wrong number. All right, there it is. So again, I guess I put in a wrong value. Okay, so B, again, B is missing, and we've got the hypotenuse. So with respect to angle A, cosine of A is equal to B over 43. So cosine of 33 degrees is equal to B over 43. Multiply both sides by 43, cancels, and we get 43 times the cosine of 33 right here, which is 36. So I probably put in a wrong number when I was doing it on the calculator before. Okay, so we indeed did it correctly. All right, very good. We'll stop this session here. This is your math teacher, Dr. Swears. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need more help, go ahead and send me an email using the inbox through the Canvas course in the FGCU portal. Again, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.